Hi everyone! こんにちは! I'm YUCa! Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking! Today, I'm going to show you how to make Hijiki Salad. Hijiki no Nimono. In Japanese, it's a very classic Japanese side dish and it's consisting of dehydrated hijiki, seaweed, and carrots, and fried tofu. And to make it volumey, I normally add konnyaku. I will also add a chikuwa, it's a fish cake. And as always, my family, Mario and Luigi will be joining as helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Hijiki salad, Hijiki no Nimono is ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。Smells so comfort. The long hijiki is very soft. That's why my children also love it. So many different textures from hijiki, carrots, chikuwa, and konnyaku. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: you can also use shiitake mushrooms for vegetarian version instead of using chikuwa. And tip: the long hijiki is already easy to bite for children as well, but if they care, I recommend to cut long hijiki with scissors. And tip: I usually make a lot of hijiki seaweed salad and freeze, or use for making mixed rice, or I sometimes put in a Japanese omelette. It's also good. I recommend. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was this hijiki salad recipe? This hijiki salad recipe is so good and easy to make. If you watched my video for the first time, thank you for coming! I introduce easy, simple, and yummy Japanese recipes, including baby meals, kids meals, pregnancy meals, and desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe. Your like button motivates me to create new informative videos. Don't forget to hit the like button as always. If you want to see more about Japanese food and culture, please join my mailing list. To sign in, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. The pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. And that's it. I send a newsletter 1 or twice a month, so I don't bother you a lot. So please feel free to join. Special thanks to Mario and Luigi. マコちゃんありがとね。So everyone, have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye.